Here at CommunicAsia, I've stepped into the matrix. I'm talking to Lance Craft, who's going to explain what that means. Lance, tell us about this.
Brian, thank you. The Matrix is Dali's newest product. We're launching here at our very first CommunicAsia 2015. We could not be more delighted to be a part of CommunicAsia. The traffic has been great. The hospitality and people have just been wonderful. But we are very excited about launching Matrix here at the CommunicAsia show.
So what are the benefits to operators?
Yeah, so one of the fundamental differences and benefits to what Dali does is we are completely digital. We're broadband. And the architecture was based on some of an RFP that we received from a Tier 1 operator in the U.S. That we designed completely modular, okay, from the head-end out to the remote. Carriers can add frequencies, they can go MIMO, they can do splitter combiner. It's completely modular throughout the entire head-end and the remote, which makes it very elegantly for the carriers to add additional frequencies as they acquire additional frequencies, or if they only start with a single frequency, or if there's a neutral host opportunity, you can add additional carriers to the system as well.
So they can build it as they go, so to speak.
Absolutely. Why the name we came up with Matrix is the building blocks of the system.
Okay, and why Asia?
Well, as you can tell, if you go outside, there's all kinds of capacity requirements. The content and demands of the end users, you can tell it's very condensed. So with the capabilities from a software-defined and software configurable capabilities of the Dali Matrix, we can move capacity where capacity is needed through the Matrix. But certainly Asia is a very strategic region for us, primarily because of the density of the users in a particular area. We have found that the Matrix is something that not only works for us in Asia, but it works for us throughout the globe.
Yes, now as you say, it's the first time you've been to CommunicAsia. Just tell us a little bit more about the company as a whole.
Yeah, so Dali was founded in 2006. We have about 60 employees, and we couldn't be more thankful for our shareholders and our employees that have made this all possible to be at CommunicAsia. But our first CommunicAsia, as we mentioned, and very, very excited about the exposure we have here at the show.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for talking to us, and congratulations on the new product.
Thank you, Brian.